Thanks for staying with us here at 6:30. I'm Denise Valdez.
And I'm Brian Loftus. Evictions are up, and this is keeping court busy with cases. The I-Team obtained access to eviction court to get a better idea of what is unfolding.
Vanessa Murphy is live in front of the Regional Justice Center. Vanessa?
Yeah, if you get an eviction notice, this is where you need to go. And we watched case after case, landlord versus tenant, with different outcomes.
This is the final stage of the eviction process.
Constable's office.
A lockout. The I-Team is here as the constable's office enters, and locks are changed quickly before the tenant returns.
I think we are in a housing crisis.
Jim Berchtold is the directing attorney for consumer rights at the Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada, which has seen an increase in tenants in need of help. The Metro Police Department reports 800 eviction notices delivered and 395 lockouts in September of 2020. That's during the eviction moratorium. For September 2021, with no moratorium in place, those numbers jump to 1168 and 1482.
We continue to talk to tenants every day who still don't understand what they need to do in this crisis to protect themselves.
Good morning, everyone.
Some of those tenants end up here at Las Vegas Justice Court.
I hate issuing evictions, okay?
The I-Team recently observed
We haven't paid since November.
as hearing master David Brown handles more than 40 cases on this day alone.
I think this is an ended relationship. Is that correct?
From an ex-girlfriend who wants to kick her ex out,
I still love this woman.
to a landlord who claims a tenant is running an illegal catering business inside a home.
Well, it looks good, I can tell you that.
There are lighter moments, but mainly dire situations.
Third time he pulled a knife and went after me, called me a couple of names.
In the majority of the cases here, evictions denied.
I'm obligated under AB 486 to deny the eviction.
Nevada's Assembly Bill 486 halts an eviction if there's a pending application for rental assistance through programs like the CARES Housing Assistance Program, also known as CHAP. Brown points out several times AB 486 may have some flaws.
I didn't write that law, but I'm required to enforce it.
It's the saving grace for many tenants, but for those with months of unpaid rent without a pending application, many evictions are ordered.
I'm terminally ill. 50% of my heart's dead.
In some cases, Brown grants more time.
I'm going to give you 1 week to get your application and everything completed.
The hearing master acknowledging on the bench the challenge to find affordable housing.
I understand completely. It's hard to find any place out there right now. So maybe next to impossible.
Just another reason after hearing these words.
The court will find unlawful detainer and order summary eviction.
For many, there's a feeling of hopelessness.
I don't know. I don't. Sorry.
We reached out to the chief judge to request an interview with hearing master David Brown to talk about his experience in making these decisions. A Clark County spokesman got back to us saying that's not possible because of Nevada's Judicial Code of Ethics, even though we said we wouldn't discuss specific cases. Now, we have resources for both landlords and tenants at 8newsnow.com. Coming up at 11, we take a look at the issue of squatters. Reporting live, Vanessa Murphy, live, local, now.